This course delves into the functionalities of the SAP Business Technology Platform and its significance in creating a smart, eco-friendly enterprise. You could be at one of two starting points in your journey toward building such an enterprise. Scenario for new customers, Option A. If your organization has never used SAP services before and you're intrigued by the concept of a smart, eco-friendly business strategy in SAP S/4HANA this is your starting point. You aim for a greenfield implementation of this strategy. Scenario for existing customers, Option B. If your business has a long history with SAP, beginning perhaps with SAP R/3, and currently operates on the SAP Business Suite, this scenario applies to you. You're considering transitioning to SAP S/4HANA Cloud. Your goal is to complete the transformation before your current SAP Business Suite maintenance contract expires. By fast-tracking this transition, you aim to reduce overall costs and gain a competitive advantage by leveraging the features of a smart, eco-friendly enterprise. You intend to execute this transition via RISE with SAP, opting for a brownfield approach and customizing extensions on the SAP Business Technology Platform. Greenfield implementation, newly implemented system with nothing transferred from the old system. Brownfield implementation, newly implemented system with transferred data from the old system. Bluefield implementation, newly implemented system with selective transferred data from the old system. SAP empowers you to establish a smart, eco-friendly business by allowing you to 1. Leverage robust technologies to construct a unified technological foundation with the SAP Business Technology Platform. 2. Integrate artificial intelligence and machine learning into your operational workflows. 3. Utilize analytical tools to gain insights into your business activities and their underlying causes. 4. Develop adaptable value chains and adopt cutting-edge industry methodologies to assess and control your environmental footprint. 5. Deploy industry-tailored processes in a cloud environment to manage your entire value chain seamlessly. At SAP, we lay the groundwork for organizations to evolve into smart, eco-conscious entities by offering software, technology, and business practices that accelerate digital transformation on a cloud-centric infrastructure. A smart, eco-conscious enterprise incorporates 1. Business operations, processes. Revolutionize business activities to achieve unparalleled customer satisfaction on a grand scale. Employ continuous analysis, modeling, simulation, automation, and monitoring to refine processes effectively. 2. Software solutions. SAP aims to cultivate a comprehensive and eco-friendly network of business software to support the smart, eco-conscious enterprise. 3. Technological foundation. Serving as the tech base of a smart, eco-conscious enterprise, SAP provides the SAP Business Technology Platform, SAP BTP. This platform grants you the versatility to develop, combine, oversee, and deploy your applications on a unified platform. You have the option to use SAP's own infrastructure or select from top hyperscalers like Amazon Web Services, IaaS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, or Alibaba Cloud. SAP's sustainability-focused cloud solutions. SAP presents a suite of solutions centered on sustainability, aimed at making your business the best run, most sustainable entity it can be. Benefits of cloud computing and SAP's focus. Cloud computing offers a cost-effective solution by letting you access resources as and when needed, eliminating the necessity for large, on-site data centers for scalability and reliability. There's no need to allocate computing power in advance for potential projects or spikes in system demand. Cloud services come in a variety of deployment and service models, and their distributed architecture across multiple regions ensures enhanced availability and reduced latency. As cloud capabilities continue to expand, the significance of virtualization and container technologies is becoming increasingly pivotal. Numerous providers, or vendors, exist in the marketplace for a range of cloud services, and SAP is zeroing in on transitioning toward cloud-based solutions. Now that we've explored cloud deployment models, let's delve into the types of cloud service models. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. IaaS allows you to rent hardware resources, such as servers, storage, and networking, based on your specific requirements. This approach frees your team from the constraints of a centralized IT architecture, enabling greater flexibility and cost efficiency. You can easily adjust your subscription to match your resource needs. Notable IaaS providers include hyperscalers like Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, and Amazon Web Services, IaaS. Platform as a service, PaaS offers middleware features that layer on top of your virtual infrastructure. You can customize the platform with your own logic and often activate built-in services. Typical offerings include security measures, load balancing, and database services. PaaS serves as a one-stop shop for managing your infrastructure's operations. SAP's offering in this space is the SAP Business Technology Platform, which is built on a combination of SAP and open-source technology. Software as a service, SaaS provides on-demand subscription to a wide range of applications, whether they are business software or entertainment services. From business tools to virtual infrastructure management, everything is delivered online. The provider takes care of security, availability, and performance, while customization options are generally limited. SAP has a presence in the SaaS market with products like SAP Analytics Cloud, SAP Customer Experience, SAP SuccessFactors. These products allow you to subscribe to and use applications as needed, with minimal customization options but the benefit of managed security and performance. So what is SAP Business Technology Platform? The SAP BTP is the technological foundation of the intelligent, sustainable enterprise. The SAP Business Technology Platform, SAP BTP, serves as the technological backbone that enables the creation of intelligent, sustainable enterprises. It's a comprehensive platform that offers a range of services and functionalities designed to accelerate digital transformation and integrate various business processes. The platform combines database and data management capabilities, analytics, application development tools, and cloud integration into a single unified framework. This allows organizations to turn their data into actionable insights, optimize their business processes, and create a more resilient, sustainable business model. With SAP BTP, businesses can 1. Leverage robust technologies to build scalable and flexible IT infrastructures. 2. Integrate advanced solutions like artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, into business operations for enhanced decision-making and automation. 3. Utilize cloud services tailored for specific industry needs, thereby simplifying complex tasks and workflows. 4. Implement sustainability measures more effectively by gaining insights from data analytics. By serving as the technological core of a smart, eco-friendly enterprise, SAP BTP enables organizations to be more agile, data-driven, and customer-centric, while also focusing on long-term sustainability goals. Built on open standards, the SAP Business Technology Platform, SAP BTP, provides unparalleled flexibility, letting you choose your preferred clouds, frameworks, and applications. It serves multiple purposes within the realm of intelligent, sustainable enterprises, such as integration. In today's digital enterprises, IT environments are often a mix of on-premises systems, cloud solutions, SaaS offerings, and various technologies from SAP and third-party providers. Effective integration is crucial for streamlining business operations across the entire value chain. By seamlessly connecting all systems and processes, a well-integrated IT landscape becomes a business enabler. Data to value. For organizations to navigate rapidly changing conditions, having a unified view of all data assets is critical. The emphasis is not just on collecting data but on quality and effective data management. As data becomes the currency of the future, the key to a flexible and scalable business lies in the ability to analyze and derive actionable insights from this data. Extensibility. To keep up with evolving business conditions and customer expectations, companies must be agile. SAP BTP allows for extensibility, enabling you to continuously adapt and enhance your applications to meet these dynamic requirements. Features such as application autoscaler, continuous integration and delivery, and cloud transportation management are at your disposal. Plus, the platform allows you to select the runtime that best suits your needs. In the age of cloud-based solutions, the focus has shifted from modifying existing systems to extending capabilities. Therefore, the goal should be to maintain a clean core while leveraging cloud-based extensions, rather than resorting to legacy on-premises modifications. Key takeaways of this lesson. By using SAP BTP, companies can transform from technological perspective and also from business perspective and get more insights into their company which be useful for better decision making.